Okay guys, so what we have today over here is Scronium 30,000 mAh power bank. Sorry that I have already opened it to just check the product, but I'm going to view it now. So delivered by Flipkart. Here's the packing. Packing was good. A little deformed from here, but that was okay. Otherwise it was all good. Here it says Scronium 30,000 mAh power bank sold by Scronium Electronics, blah 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 blah, tax invoice, everything. Okay, so let's open it. Packing is very small. I think it's very sorry for those dogs. They must have found some new entity in their control zone. Okay, so this is the thing. Oh. It is compact, but it is a bit heavy. Here you go. Okay. Cool. These dogs. Okay, so it gets a very short USB cable. Let's check it out. There you go. It's very short USB cable. Please excuse me for these dogs again. And here you go, the power bank. Give it a little push from the other side, it will come out. And okay, here you go. So this is the Scronium 30,000 mAh power bank. Here you can see the one. Model TL-58 30,000 mAh, 3.7V, 111 Wh. Input power is 5 watt by 2.1A. Output 1 is 5V 2.4A. Output 2 and 3 are 5V 1A. So total output will be 5V 3.6A max. So these output 1, 2 and 3 are given right over here. So you can see output 1 which is 5.5V 2.4A, output 2 and 3, that is output 2 and 3 5V 1A. Here is the charging and this bulb indicator. I don't know what it does. It has no power manual, no user manual, nothing. No warranty card, nothing. So the only proof you have is the Flipkart invoice. So do keep it safe. You must have received the soft copy in the email. So don't delete that email. Keep it safe, just in case if you want to return it, you can use that invoice. Here is the power button. Here is light indicator. What you have to do is click this and it will start. Okay, so I guess the battery is full, don't have to charge it. So what you can do over here is just get your phone and put the USB here, it will start charging. Now if you want to charge the power bank, put the USB there, you go. Oh, first time. And they don't have, surprisingly they haven't given the adapter, so I'm using the adapter of my phone, which is a Smartron adapter. This doesn't come with the power bank. Note that I'm using my phone's adapter to charge this power bank. There you go. It will start charging. Oh shit, I need to switch on the plug first. Okay, there you go. Charging started. Okay, so the battery is almost full. That is why the last bulb indicator is blinking. So this is how Scronium looks, feels, and the functions, the buttons, output 1, output 2, output 3. See that bulb doesn't glow up, so I don't know what is the use of that bulb. And switch off. To switch off, you just have to long press the power button to switch it off. For example, let's say I started this. Okay. I started the power bank and now I want to switch it off and long press it. Okay. Yeah, press it. It is off. And then I want to start. Click and it will start. If you short press it, it won't do anything. It won't switch off. So make sure you press it long. To start, don't need to long press, just press it and it will start. Okay, so yeah, it was my first video. Thank you for everything. Thank you for watching. Bye.